Welcome back to the channel Tech Enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an exciting and transformative AI technique called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. This powerful hybrid model is changing the way AI interacts with information, blending precision with creativity. We'll unpack what RAG is, how it works, and explore its game-changing applications. So buckle up and let's dive in. RAG combines the strengths of retrieval-based and generation-based approaches in artificial intelligence. To understand it better, let's imagine a trip to the library. Picture this. You're writing a research paper and need information on a specific topic. First, you search for books, articles, and other resources. This step mirrors the retrieval process in RAG, where the model hunts through external knowledge bases, such as databases, research papers, or even a company's internal documents, to find relevant information. Once you've gathered the materials, you read, take notes, and organize your thoughts. Then you use these insights to craft your paper, adding your unique perspective. This resembles the generation process in RAG, where the model takes the retrieved information and produces a well-informed, fluent response. By combining these two steps, retrieval and generation, RAG delivers answers that are not just accurate, but also contextually rich and coherent. It's like having an assistant that not only knows where to find the right answers, but also how to articulate them perfectly. Let's explore how this works under the hood. The model begins with the retrieval phase, searching external knowledge bases, such as collections of articles, research papers, or company databases, for the most relevant information. Sophisticated search algorithms guide this process, ensuring the results are highly relevant. Once the data is retrieved, the generation phase kicks in. Here, the model synthesizes the information into a response that is accurate, context-aware, and linguistically natural. It's like writing an essay based on well-organized notes. The retrieved data forms the foundation, and the generation component brings it to life. The applications of RAG are as diverse as they are impactful. In customer service, imagine a chatbot equipped with RAG that not only answers queries quickly but also pulls precise, relevant details from a company's knowledge base. For instance, if a customer asks about the warranty of a specific product, the chatbot could instantly retrieve the policy and summarize it clearly. This makes interactions faster and more accurate, enhancing customer satisfaction. Companies like Microsoft and Google are already leveraging RAG to optimize support systems, ensuring users receive both speed and accuracy. In research, particularly in fields like medicine, RAG is a game changer. Professionals often need to sift through vast amounts of literature to stay updated. RAG simplifies this by summarizing key findings and even proposing new hypotheses. Picture a doctor using a RAG-powered tool to instantly pull and summarize the latest studies on a rare condition. This could accelerate diagnoses and improve patient outcomes. According to a study published in Nature, AI-powered tools like RAG are revolutionizing medical research by providing timely and accurate insights, enabling researchers to focus on innovation rather than data collection. The creative world is also benefiting from RAG. Writers can use it to blend imaginative storytelling with factual accuracy. For example, a novelist working on a historical drama could rely on RAG to generate authentic dialogues or describe settings that are historically accurate, saving time and enriching the narrative. This dual capability ensures that creative works are not only engaging, but also factually grounded, appealing to audiences who value both artistry and authenticity. Education is another sector where RAG is revolutionizing learning. Imagine an AI-powered tutor that helps students tackle tough homework questions by offering detailed explanations and curated resources. Tailored to individual needs, this kind of support not only clarifies complex concepts, but also makes learning more engaging. For instance, a student struggling with calculus could use a RAG-powered tool to receive step-by-step solutions and additional practice problems, all while understanding the underlying principles. In the business world, RAG is proving invaluable for tasks like market research and strategic planning. For example, it can analyze social media trends, compile competitor data, and identify emerging opportunities, all in one go. This empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions faster and more effectively, keeping them ahead of the competition. A company could use RAG to monitor customer sentiment, identify gaps in the market, and develop strategies to address them, all while staying agile in a fast-paced environment. Looking ahead, the potential of RAG is truly exciting. Advancements in AI technologies like natural language processing, machine learning, and knowledge graphs are making these models even smarter and more precise. By integrating with reinforcement learning, RAG models can continuously improve, learning from interactions to deliver better responses over time. These innovations are opening doors to broader applications, from enhancing personalized education to creating AI systems capable of tackling complex real-world challenges. One particularly exciting prospect is the integration of RAG with knowledge graphs, which provide structured representations of information. This would allow RAG models to better understand relationships between concepts, enabling them to generate even more accurate and contextually relevant responses. Additionally, the use of reinforcement learning could enable RAG models to adapt to user feedback, refining their responses over time and becoming even more effective in dynamic environments. That's it for today's episode. If you found this deep dive into retrieval-augmented generation as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you think RAG will shape the future of AI? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.